Today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube node in N8N and use it to update a channel. This is a quick and useful workflow if you want to manage your channel details inside automation, and it only takes a few simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8N and automation videos. Let's get into it. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add any service node you need. In the search bar, type YouTube. When the YouTube node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. Once the node is added, you'll see the available actions for YouTube. From here, choose Update a Channel. This is the option you need when you want to modify channel level details through your workflow. After selecting Update a Channel, the configuration panel will appear. Now, you need to enter the required details for the channel update. Fill in the fields carefully based on the information you want to change. Make sure your credentials are connected properly and that the details you enter match the channel settings you want to update. At this point, you can review everything to make sure the node is configured correctly. Check the selected action, verify the account connection, and confirm the channel information before continuing. This helps avoid mistakes and make sure the update runs smoothly. And that's it. You've now added the YouTube node in N8N, selected Update a Channel, and configured it with the necessary details. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more N8N tutorials and automation walkthroughs.